Ever wondered how to add a tart, sweet twist to your Christmas treat lineup? Look no further than Frosted Cranberry Bars. These unique treats combine the tartness of cranberries with sweet frosting, creating a holiday delight like no other. Ready to whip up this festive delight? Here's what you need. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need a bowl full of fresh cranberries, a cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour, half a cup of softened butter, 2 large eggs, and your favorite frosting ingredients. Got everything? Perfect. Now, on to the steps. Now, let's dive into the process of making these tantalizing bars. First things first, preheat your oven and grease up a baking pan. Next, it's time to blend our ingredients together. Combine all the dry ingredients first, then slowly add in your wet ingredients. Once you have a smooth batter, spread it evenly in your greased pan. Pop it into the preheated oven and bake until it's golden and irresistible. Now that you've baked these beautiful bars, it's time for the final touch. Frosting is what takes these bars from good to great, so let's get it right. Begin by mixing powdered sugar, butter, and cranberry juice until smooth. This sweet and tangy blend will complement the tartness of our bars beautifully. Now, patience is key. Ensure your cranberry bars have thoroughly cooled before you spread the frosting. If they're even slightly warm, your frosting will melt into a gooey mess. Once cool, spread your frosting evenly. And there you have it, frosted cranberry bars ready to be served. These frosted cranberry bars are not just delicious, but they also come with a few perks. They're a fantastic way to sneak some fruit into your dessert, and they add a vibrant pop of color and flavor to your Christmas treat lineup. Not to mention, their tart and sweet combination is sure to be a crowd pleaser. So, why not give it a try? That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy baking!